Hi Aries, welcome to your bonus reading. Please remember that this is a general reading, so this may not resonate with all the Aries out there. In that case, look at your Sun, Moon and Venus on my channel. Also, your rising will help. I'm sorry about that, you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you can receive live updates from me. We're going to look into your past energies, what's happening with you right now, and what's coming up for you. All right, and I'm going to be using my new deck here, so bear with me because there are some beautiful messages for you there. In your past energy, I get the card of balance. Aries, I feel like you are learning to balance these new energies that you are just getting acquainted with in your life right now. You're also learning about moderation. I kind of feel like you are being asked to cooperate and work as a group or in a group with people around you, because the power that you have right now, the new abilities you're realizing about yourself, this is something you can't carry on your shoulders all alone. Not that you don't have the ability to, but you have been given these powers so that you can work with other people towards building something bigger and better. And also, you're being asked, in your past you had been asked to wait for perfect timing. So let's see. Right now you're in the energy of Six of Earth, and wow, so this Six of Earth is the energy of Six of Pentacles in the Rider-Waite deck, and this talks to me about gifts of wealth, money, time, opportunities coming your way. Yes, new career opportunities are definitely looking good here. There's also somebody, I see a King of Cups coming here in your sign. There was somebody already there in the past who was either watching you or had presented an opportunity to you. And there's another one here. I get the King of Pentacles in the past, and there's the King of Cups energy here in the present. I feel there are very powerful people around you right now who are willing to join hands with you and work with you. And for those of you who are not looking at this reading with regards to work or profession, there are a lot of powerful people coming here to woo you, Aries. They're coming here. Right. I also feel that some of you Aries who had been looking to get loans or some kind of support or help in the financial department, that's happening for you here in the coming times. Let's see, let's go a little further and see. There were definitely some negotiations and talks going on with regards to work and people coming up with proposals to you. And here I see that there are more such proposals and people coming into your life. The cards that I have for you here are the King of Pentacles, King of Cups, Page of Cups, King of Wands. So all this energy is talking to me and saying that Aries is that sought after energy here, right now. So everybody wants to associate with you because they see this light around you, and they know that in the coming times you already are a hot cake here, Aries. With the Six of Cups, I feel new proposal and a past relationship either coming towards you, coming back into your life. But along with that, in your future position, I have the card of the Devil. So I feel like they could be coming towards you with a lot of speed, because now they see your worth, Aries. They definitely see your worth with all these people approaching you. They see your worth, and with the card of the Devil and the Knight of Swords, I feel like you need to be a little careful around this person from the past. Try avoid them. Don't fall back into the pattern that you've just stepped out of, because you found your light and you're so much more powerful here right now. In your coming time, I have the Five of Air. And Five of Air is like the Five of Swords, right? So I feel like you need to be careful about making an unwise choice or an unwise decision here. And below that, I have the card of the Devil. So this could be with regards to the temptation of either, joining hands with people without doing a lot of background research, or carefully going through the papers or their contracts. This could even be with regards to this past relationship who's coming back at you. So I want you to be doubly sure before you step in to work with any of these people. Yeah, so you need to review your motives here is what I'm getting for you, Aries, definitely. Right, so with the Four of Pentacles, what are you doing here? With the Four of Pentacles, Aries, I feel like you're laying the foundation and very solid foundations. You're doing a lot of thinking. So for once, I want you to know and understand that because of this dynamic energy you're feeling within you, you could also be feeling aggressive sometimes. Just go out there and do everything you have to right now. You might feel that the time is now and it's never going to come back, but go at it step by step, because when I have the card of review your motives or review everybody's motives around you, you are also getting the card of Four of Pentacles. That means there are a lot of good people around you right now who you can definitely associate with and work, and they are going to help you build strong pillars for the coming times for your future. That's leading to the position of Ten of Cups for you. Can you see? Let me draw you some cards from the universe and see what do you have for Aries. Please guide my lovely Aries. Show me what you got for Aries, please. I have a message for Aries. Right, we have two. We have the card of grief. I'm going to elaborate on that. And we have the card of growth. So this is a new deck, you guys. Let me just check what they are trying to convey to you. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay, so with the card of grief, I have it here. So the legend says, Penelope meets Pickle, the puppy, when she is at college. They go through everything together when the day comes, much later, for Mother Earth to call Pickle home. He dies in Penelope's arms. Her friends are hard on her, suggesting that she should just get over her pet's death. Penelope knows she loved Pickle deeply and is simply in grief. Loving Pickle was worth every moment of sadness. When she is ready, she will love again. The inspiration that this card talks about is Penelope and Pickle remind us that what we reveal, we can heal. Give yourself time and you will love again. If you honor your pain, it will change your life. So the question it's asking you, Aries, is lingering grief preventing me from progress? What can I see in my heart? And I feel like this is talking to you about your recent past or some things you've been feeling about yourself, and that made you unsure about your abilities or where you're headed, or if you can really take a step in the new direction. And the key ideas that it talks about are feeling grief, healing process, missing someone, something, being unafraid of sadness, love is on the horizon. Love, commitment, vulnerability is what I get for you. That's for grief, and you are definitely out of this phase here now, Aries, and you're moving towards the card of growth. That's the earth energy. And this says, the legend says, Grass is excited. He's ready to tell his best friend Weed that he is gay, but Weed reacts negatively, and it is the first of many judgmental encounters for Grass. For years, he is turned down for jobs, and even when he applies for an apartment, Grass fights for the right to live where he wants and wins, but soon after he moves into his new apartment, someone breaks in and attacks him. In the hospital, his loved ones gather, sharing stories of who Grass was to them. He dies, leaving behind his legacy of love and courage. Inspiration. Grass says, break away. It may be time for a change of scenery, visit a foreign country, embark on a new enterprise, or learn a skill. Most importantly, grow. So Aries, you have been holding yourself back for a long time, and now it's time for you to grow. Don't see don't consider what your age is, what your surrounding is, what people are saying. Let all that pass into the background, and now it's time for you to go. Keep growing. Personal inquiry here from the card says, what have I outgrown? Am I willing to become independent? So Aries are very independent people, and if you're having doubts there, I'd like to call that self-doubt. but you're no longer going to stay there with all this energy building up around you, already propelling you to go forward in this new direction. Key ideas are taking a stand, living your truth, lack of safety, clashing values, teaching by example. So Aries, whatever you're doing now, others are also looking up to you, they're around you, and it is it is your strength and courage that they're going to set forth in their path as an example to keep themselves going forward also. You don't know what beautiful things you are becoming a source of to other people in your life right now with this one movement. Keywords: warrior, peace, courage. You are the warrior, you have a lot of courage, and I don't need to worry about peace. Aries, you've stayed in that moment of peace, you've been very complacent about things, but now it's time to go forward. I'm going to draw you one more card and see where this is leading you. It's already out. Aries, I have the card of love, I have the card of death. Such beautiful cards from the universe. Can you see? So the card of love and the card of death, it says, and I feel like this has got to do a lot with self-love, and when you are in that energy of self-love, these other suitors, these beautiful people who are stepping into your life, and these are really powerful connections who are going to stay with you in the long run, and I see them being around you. They like your energy, and you're going to like their help and support too, and they're not going to be very demanding is what I feel. So with the card of the love and the card of the death, I feel this is you, your old self dying, and you rising like the phoenix from the ashes, and this is a rebirth time for you, Aries. So that's what I have for you for now in your bonus free. Do remember to like and comment in the comment section below. If you'd like a free reading from me, you can go and like my page on Facebook and Instagram. That's where I go live to offer free readings. You might catch me there very soon. And if you'd like to book a private reading with me, you can shoot me a mail on kavyajaswal9@gmail.com, and I'd love to reply and see how we can fix a time for you. Until we meet again, bye bye, stay safe.